Hey everyone, one of the biggest concerns that customers have when they come to our dealership is that we're going to try to sell them a car, and obviously we are. And what we do is we use statements and comments and ask questions that make the customer more defensive. Let me give you a perfect example. On the demonstration drive. First of all, your demonstration drive should be as long as possible. But when you're on the demo drive, don't ever ask any questions. Let the customer control the dialogue. You will find that if you sit in the back seat of the car completely silent, and let's just say you have a husband and wife in the car, they will talk to each other. They will actually do all the work for you. They will sell the car to each other. For example, the wife might turn to the husband and say, how does it drive? How does it feel? The husband might ask the wife, what are your thoughts? But if you're the one asking the questions, they become more defensive. Now, don't misunderstand me. You still want to have dialogue, but let the customer control it. If the customer asks you questions, then you can answer and ask questions in return. For example, if they ask you, how long have you worked at the dealership? You could say, I've been here a couple of years. By the way, what kind of work do you do? This is dialogue, and it's dialogue the customer will enjoy, and in the end, they will sell themselves, and you will sell more cars. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any questions or comments, please fill them in below. I'll be sure to get back to everyone. And if you like, subscribe to my channel, and you can watch all my videos on a regular basis.